guys, welcome back to Made by Nala. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn this into this super cute Chanel inspired cardigan. I really hope it turns out to be the super cute Chanel cardigan. I'm also thinking to like make a bag out of this as well. So yeah, anyway, the moral of the story or the concept of this is that I'm gonna cut the jumper like so. I need this jumper to be like this, and I'm gonna cut it in half. Then that way we're gonna get our cardigan, right? You get the vision? And then I'm gonna add some like nice trimmings here. And I'm also gonna remove this turtleneck thing. And then I'm also gonna add some trimming here, some trimming there. I'm thinking of making the sleeves a little bit shorter because that's basically how Chanel does it. It's not like long. It should be like this kind of thing. You see the vibe? It's already giving that. So yeah, like you see how it looks like this? Hope it's even, but it should be like this. That's the length I'm trying to go for, so not too short because I don't want it to be like up here because I feel like it's a bit tacky, but I want it to come up to like here. And then I'm gonna just open it up here, cutting a straight line through. Yeah, I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but yeah, that's the vibe, guys. Stay tuned. I'm trying to hope to post everything long ways like this. However, I am also filming a TikTok as well, and major shout out to Guild Care. I hope that's how I'm meant to be pronouncing it, but this is the logo of the charity shop that is kindly working with us, so I'm greatly appreciative of that. And yes guys, see you soon. Let's get making. So I started off with my scissors. You guys know I do not play when it comes to scissors, and I did what I basically just told you guys. So I'm just going to time lapse this, but enjoy. This is the easiest part, and you honestly don't have to do what I did in terms of adding trimmings and stuff. You can literally wear your cardigan the way it is. But it's up to you. So once I had done that, I didn't even need to time lapse it, guys. I'm so quick with it. Once I had done that, I decided to pin the sides together because this is knit. So knit will unravel if you don't do the steps. Very important. So I pinned everything together, and yeah guys, I'll be back in a sec. Once that was done, I just sewed it on my sewing machine. So I'm just hemming the edges together. And guys, I still have that face, that look of disgust when I sew, but hopefully it will change. And I was really struggling to position myself. But yeah, just sew that together. I also hemmed the edges because I also cut there, and I'd recommend just hemming anywhere that you cut. And it let us hemmed, but I guess the reason why it's done that is because it's not tweed. If it was tweed, it shouldn't do that. But anyway, I used my decorative, what do we even call this, like ribbon, and I just started planning how I wanted it. And I was so scared that it was going to look tacky, guys. So I was like, okay, after I do this, I have to like add something, but stay tuned and just watch me do this. I'm literally gonna sew this off camera because I need to focus. Once I had sewn everything together, I had something like this, and I wanted to add something bougie, so I added some pearls from like my old DIY, and I just literally stuck it like fake buttons, and that's how I got this look, guys. And I made a cute bag too. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.